Well, Lee, do you think a draw was a fair result over 90 minutes in the end?
No, not really. I think first half Newtown fully deserved to be. I thought they won a lot of first contacts, second contacts. I thought they looked really good first half. Second half, you'll have to watch it back and convince me otherwise, but there's 2 penalties there for us all day long. And for the last 30 minutes, we dominated the game. So yes, for the first 50 minutes, it wasn't us as we should have been. Yes, Newtown took advantage in terms of winning all our first phase and second phase, but in terms of on the game, finishing it, 100% Ben Hughes is a penalty, and I think it's a poor decision. That goes in, that's 3-2, and we're in the ascendancy, we're dominating the ball. They've got no threat going forward. We're playing up on a halfway line. Yes, so a draw probably suits both teams, especially with Britain Ferry losing, but yet again, I can't accept that. That's a definite penalty.
First half an hour I thought we were in good control of the game, didn't feel nervy at all. Second half up to the second goal, and maybe even 5 or 10 minutes after the second goal, we were in control of the game. Yeah, disappointed to concede, having gone in front twice, but probably a draw would be a fair result over 90 minutes.
Well, Elliot, first question, did you get a touch on that second goal?
Of course, I think every striker's going to say that, aren't they? Yeah, but just hit my shin, that's how most of them go in, off my shin, so...
Is it a case it doesn't matter how it goes in as long as it goes in?
No, I don't actually know how it went in, to be honest. I just got a touch in it and then heard cheering and then ran back to the halfway line because we'd obviously had, we had 7 or 8 minutes left and we were fighting to get that winner. Unfortunately, it's not come. Maybe 5 more minutes, I think we would have got it, but that's football.
Confident you can do enough to stay up in the league?
100%, yeah. Relegation's not in my mind at all. We've got enough quality in the change rooms. They're smarting up there. They're really disappointed with the way that we've conceded those goals at the end. We've got a huge game now on Tuesday night under the lights at Britain Ferry on the TV as well, and we're raring to go. I wish the game was tomorrow.